अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा सब्जेक्ट है पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़। कोड है पाक 301। रियल क्विज़ के स्क्रीनशॉट्स, मिड टर्म का सिलेबस है और सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन हैं। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन? आंसर, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन वाज द लास्ट वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया इन 1947. He announced the partition plan and supervised the creation of Pakistan and India on 14 to 15 August 1947. Next question. How was the response of Muslim League over Cabinet Mission Plan 1946? The Muslim League first accepted the Cabinet Mission Plan in June 1946. Later, it rejected the plan when Congress showed unwillingness to follow grouping clauses. The League then announced Direct Action Day. Next question. What was the role of Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in Muslim politics? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali proposed the name Pakistan in 1933. He demanded a separate Muslim state in his pamphlet Now or Never. ये उनके pamphlet का नेम था, Now or Never. He strongly supported the two nation theory. Next question. Shortly explain the importance of the Lahore Resolution 1940. The Lahore Resolution demanded separate states for Muslims of India. It provided a clear goal for the Muslim League. It became the foundation for the creation of Pakistan. What were the political steps introduced by Lord Wavell in August 1945? ये steps हैं: proposed reconstitution of Executive Council. Second, equal representation of Hindus and Muslims. Third, all members except Viceroy to be Indians. Fourth, called Simla Conference 1945. And last one, tried to solve Hindu-Muslim political deadlock. Next question. Do you agree that two-nation theory provided the basis for the creation of Pakistan? Yes, I agree. The two-nation theory stated that Hindus and Muslims are two separate nations. It highlighted religious, cultural, and social differences. It united Muslims under one platform. It became the ideological basis of Pakistan's creations in 1947. Next question. Describe the role of Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in the struggle movement for Pakistan. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali introduced the name Pakistan in 1933. He published the pamphlet Now or Never. I think ये repeated question है, आंसर इसका सेम है. Next, briefly explain the Indian Council Act 1892. The Indian Council Act 1892 increased the number of legislative members. It allowed discussions on budget. It introduced indirect election system for the first time. Next question. Point out the importance of Allahabad's address of Allama Iqbal in 3 or 4 points. Allama Iqbal delivered the address in 1930. He proposed a separate Muslim states in northwest India. It gives direction to the Pakistan movement. ये आंसर किसी को अगर लगता है कि ये ज़्यादा एलेबरेटिव नहीं है तो आप इसको अपने तौर पे ऐड भी कर सकते हैं. Who came up with term Pakistan and how this term was composed? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the term Pakistan in 1933. P for Punjab, A for Afghania, mean NW, FP जो कि पुराना नाम था KPK का. उसके बाद K for Kashmir, Sindh, के लिए एस है। तान मीन बलोचिस्तान, इट आल्सो मीन्स लैंड ऑफ प्योर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट Hindi Urdu controversy 1867? The controversy started in 1867 in Banaras. Hindus demanded Hindi in Devanagari script instead of Urdu. ये दिवांगरी भी बोलते हैं इसको। Muslims supported Urdu. It created political and social differences between Hindus and Muslims. It strengthened the two-nation theory. Highlight the political situation in subcontinent between 1945 to 1946. World War II ended in 1945. General election held in 1945 to 46. Muslim League won majority Muslim seats. Cabinet mission came in 1946. Hindu-Muslim tensions increased leading toward partition. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। बहुत शुक्रिया।